Two Jamaica Defence Force soldiers are now in police custody after gunfight with cops in 2,000-pound ganja seizure.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
Two Jamaica Defence Force corporals are now in custody at the Lacovia police station in St. Elizabeth after a gunfight on Tuesday night the 13th of October when they were intercepted transporting more than 2,000 pounds of ganja. The soldiers were held in gutters near the St. Elizabeth-Manchester border. It is understood that around 9:30 p.m, Narcotics Police, acting on intelligence, signaled a JDF minibus to stop. However, the occupants disobeyed and instead opened fire at the police. A shootout reportedly ensued, during which the JDF service vehicle was damaged. The soldiers were eventually apprehended in their military uniforms. Police sources say 2 firearms were taken from the soldiers and the ganja found in numerous parcels stacked inside the service vehicle. Investigators at the Lacovia police station have been processing the ganja, which will be used as evidence in a criminal prosecution.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!